Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to learn how to put images and videos on top of parts. So these are just two regular parts scaled up a little bit, as you can see. That's what I did. I'm going to make this a bit of a square shape because a lot of images and videos are square shaped. To take a look at the videos and images, we can click on Toolbox at the home menu, and there's a lot of cool models. Now we do encourage you to create models yourselves, but you can of course take a look at and get inspired from all these kind of builds. Now, click on models over here and look for images. We have a whole sorts of images. We can search for images. In this case, let's look for a cute little image, maybe pet. Okay, so not a lot of cute pets, but let's drag and drop this pet rock image onto our surface. So it's a bit tricky, but you just have to click and drag it on top of the part and it will just spawn over there. Great. What else we can do is we can click on images and look for something called videos. So look for something called videos, and we have a lot of videos as well. This is from Roblox Studio, but of course you can import your own stuff, but that's a little bit more complicated. Just take a look at some of our pre-built videos, from Roblox Studio. And let's drag and drop again the videos over here. For videos, you do have to turn on something a little bit more tricky. You have to scroll down over here and turn on open this up and click on the video and turn on two things, which is looped and playing. Okay, let's try if it works. So let's click on play here. So on the left we should see an image, and on the right we should see a video that is playing and looped. Thank you.